In this workshop, we're going to be making patterns inspired by African fabrics. So in Ghana, they have a fabric called the kente, which is made up of various colors. In Southern Africa, they have a fabric called the kanga, which is also made of several colors and sometimes has drawings into it. And then in Ethiopian culture, they also have a fabric called the gabi, which also uses patterns, colors, and lines. Each one of these shapes and colors is used to tell a story about a particular tribe, people, an event, or simply to look good. Similar shapes and colors are used all across Africa to tell their stories. Your task is to think about 3 themes: the past, the present, and the future. We'll use these 3 themes to make our patterns. Along with the patterns, we'll think of 3 colors to represent each one of these 3 themes. So the past could be red, because sometimes it's easy to forget what the past is. The present could be green, because you like going to the parks. Maybe you might play football, netball. You might ride your bicycle every weekend in the park. And then blue, because you might be thinking about going to the seaside or wanting to go on a holiday. Once you've decided on your colors, you now need to think of shapes. So you might think of a circle, a triangle, and maybe a square. Each one of those shapes will have a color. So the triangle might be red, the circle might be green, and the square might be blue. Once you have decided on your colors and your shapes, it's time to draw your shapes out on the paper or fabrics provided. You can repeat the patterns as many times as you like to make a bigger pattern. Here are some examples of patterns that others have made.